everyone. Class 5 Mathematics Simplification. Today I am going to tell you some laws to be used in simplification and also the BODMAS. So let me share the screen first. So today I am going to tell you about the BODMAS. Here. Now, what is the meaning of B? B stands for brackets, O stands for off, G stands for division, and M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Let me write it for first so that it will be clear to you. Here, B stands for brackets, O stands for off, B stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So this becomes BODMAS. Now I'm going to tell you what does it mean and how to solve the simplification problems using this BODMAS rule. Now, first thing is, let me take one example. Okay. Suppose I have been given one question. Let me take one example. Now, wait. Again, I'm going to share the screen. Here, suppose I have been given a question 40 multiplied by 3 plus 26 divided by 2 minus 32. Now suppose this question is given to me. I'll apply the BODMAS rule. Now here brackets are not given to you, so we will skip the this step of opening the brackets. We'll skip that. We'll come straight forward to O. O is also not given, so we will skip that also. Now we'll come to third one, D. Divided is given to you, so we will write all the digits as it is. 40 multiplied by 3 plus, now see, here 26 is to be divided by 2, so the answer will be 13. I'll write 13 here. Rest I'll write the same. This is the first step, that is the division part. Now I'll come to multiplication part. There is the multiplication. This is the multiplication part. 40 is to be divided by 3. It means 4 3s are 12. 120 will be the answer. Plus 13 and minus rest we will write the same. Now third thing is what I have to do after the multiplication. I need to do addition. So addition, this one is addition. So 120 plus 13 is, I'll write here 133. 120 plus 13 is 133 minus 32. Now the last thing is what I have to do. I have to subtract. The last step in the BODMAS is S means subtraction. So I'll do the subtraction there. 133 minus 32 is 101. So this will be the answer of my simplification. Sorry, wait. Let me erase it. Okay, I'll write again. Again, I'll write 1. I'll write 1 again. So this will be the answer. In the first step, I did the division. In the second step, I did multiplication. In third step, I did addition. And in the last step, I did the subtraction. This is DMAS. If multiplication and off is also given to me, so first I'll do the opening of brackets. Second, I'll do solve this row part, then D, M, A, and S. In this way, we can solve all the simplification sums. In the next video, I'll share some more difficult questions with you, difficult sums with you, in which I'll take the bracket part also and will explain it to you. Thank you so much.